Welcome back, everyone. This is MoneyTreeTrading.com. We are an online education company where we teach courses related to investing and trading in the stock market. And this is our regular weekly review video where we review a stock on a regular basis called MTT Stock Review. These review videos are available on our YouTube channel, which you can subscribe to and get regular updates. And we are going to review a stock which we reviewed last week also. But before we move on, let's have a look at the disclaimer, which is very important to read. It's available, it's right now here available on your screen, and it says that all the information provided in this presentation is only for educational and informational purpose. Please do not rely on any information provided in this educational presentation for the purpose of your trading or investment. Trading and investing carry a high degree of risk in stock market. So you should consult with your personal financial advisor before buying or selling any security or asset. Well, so this was disclaimer. You should understand what it is. Now let's move on to our stock which we reviewed last week also, which is the continuation of our review video of previous week review called we are going to review Hero MotoCorp is the stock which we reviewed last week. For those who are watching directly this video, they must watch previous week's video which is available on our YouTube channel with the name of Hero MotoCorp playlist. And what we said last week is that this stock was making lower low, lower highs on this daily chart. So this was the initial high, then this was our low, then it made a lower high at 3716, then it made lower low here at 3405, which was lower than this previous low, and then made a high which was again a lower high. So this stock was in a downtrend on a daily chart, which is the primary trend as per our Dow theory, which we are applying and using in this analysis. So this is our low, lower low, lower low, and then last week we said we put a question mark here that this previous high, is it a lower high? That means if this is a lower high, then this stock should make lower low here, break this previous low, which it did not. So if you look at last 5 days candlesticks here, 1 2 3 4 5, so we were here last week when we reviewed this video, and in last 5 trading sessions, that means in last 1 week, it has actually this stock has gone down to this level up to 31.20, and then there was a buying which came in and pushed this price high, and the stock closed at 33.26 yesterday on Friday. So what are we expecting is, again we repeat that there is a very solid resistance at 34.12 level on closing basis. That means this stock may go up. It may break this level also, but it may not close above this line, because on closing basis there is a very strong resistance here. So what are we expecting is, we are expecting again the same thing. Let me delete this arrow now. That means this possibility is ruled out. If you look at the direction, it says that it is going up to this area, resistance zones, and then we are expecting this stock to complete its last leg, which will be on the downside. So what are we expecting is to go to reach this level, 3400 odd levels, and then come down to complete its last leg of our wave theory, and then we are expecting a bounce for a long term in this. So to summarize this, where we are, that we are saying primary trend is down, still down. Last week also it was down, this week is also it is down, and there is a pullback happening here. So we are expecting these levels to be touched in the coming week, and then see a resistance for the stock to break and go above. Let us see. This is our review. We will come back to you next week again. Till then, enjoy your trading and investing in the market. Thank you very much.